Lepas. Lepas.
So I need a small student come to the front here, please.
Kalau yang nak kita
Parrot doesn't many colors.
Come to the front, please. Don't worry, the bird won't eat you one.
Very go. Simming go, simming.
Come here.
Angela go. You want someone go? Yes. Joseph, I say hold hand.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome to the farm in the city. Are you happy or not?
Yes, very.
So when you come here, you want to touch all the animals? Yes or no?
No touching.
Yes. No touching. The teacher say no, cannot touch.
Parrot also say no.
Okay, so I will start the show with this bird. Alright, this one is a blue-fronted Amazon from South America, and his name is Jade. Okay, so Jade today will say something to you. Or you want to hear, alright?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to hear how the bird talk, make sure everybody must be silent and listen carefully. So, first at all, I need all of you come forward, please. Come to the front, don't worry. Alright, so, are you ready now? Yes. Okay, listen, huh? Jade. Hello, Ben. What happened to you, Ben?
Yes, our Ben. Ben, what happened to you, Ben?
Alright, listen, huh? Okay. Jade, when you see people, you say what? Yes. You want to hear one more time?
Yes.
Okay, listen, huh? Jade, say properly, Jade. When you see people, you say what? Louder, Jade. Say properly, okay? When you see people, you say what? Yes. So when Jade say hello, all of you must say what? Oh, just say hello only. Can you give a big clap for Jade, please? Alright, next, I want all the children only, especially for the girls. Okay? Who do you think they're so prettiest over here? The most pretty girl here. Who? You, right? You, right? Okay, listen, huh? Jade, when you see pretty girl, what you must do? Yes! You want to hear one more time? After this, you must give your phone number to Jade. Alright, listen, huh? Jade, when you see pretty girl, what you must do? Yeah, can you give a big clap for Jade, please? Alright, okay, next. For your information, one of my friends here in future, he want to be an actor. So today, I need all of you to help me become a director. Can or not?
Can.
When I count 1, 2, 3, everybody say action. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, police over here. I turn back here. I bring out my pistol and bang. What happened? Slowly, slowly, and he is done. You know what? This is a very sad story. All of you very happy, yeah? Okay. Now the scene is over already. I want us Ben to wake up. Ben, everybody happy you die, man. Now it's time for you to wake up. Ben, wake up. Alamak, you don't want to wake up. What happened? Hello, my friend Ben. Wake up. Alamak. I think he really died, right? Anybody, one of you can do CPR over here? Oh, wait. He wants to say something to me. He say when start the scene, director say action. Am I right? So after the scene, director must say what? Yes, must say cut because Ben is a professional actor. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody say cut. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Can you give a big clap for Ben, please? For your information, the bird diet like a fruit, peanuts and sunflower seed. Okay, the lifespan of this bird, they can live about 70 years old. 70. Alright, so I'll just do a simple show only for you all. Before that, we see the bird wave bye-bye to you all. This bird, okay, this bird. Alright, wave bye-bye please, Paco. Bye-bye. Hello my friend, over here, Paco.
Bye-bye.
Here. Okay, wave bye-bye. Alright. So thank you very much for coming Farm in the City. I hope all of you enjoy. Have a nice day Farm in the City. Bye-bye.